Hi, this is a younger and skinnier Mr. Millay, along with his college friends Nathan Buckholes, Matt Schaffner, and Jesse Drew, to give you a video review for your quiz on Tuesday. First of all, know what the Emancipation Proclamation did and who it freed. Know about the Battle of Vicksburg and why it was important to Grant. Know how Stonewall Jackson died. Know about the Southern plan to win the war, the Northern plan to win the war, the Anaconda plan, all of those things. Make sure you know that Atlanta was the largest railroad and manufacturing hub in the South. We didn't talk about that, or it was not in our notes, but I talked about it. Make sure you know where Lee surrendered to Grant. Make sure you know how the troops reacted when the Civil War was over and what Grant said about that. Make sure you know about how many people died in the Civil War, who killed President Lincoln. Know some things about the Union and Confederacy, kind of the same as the last test, except for also know what advantages the Confederacy had, what advantages the Union had. What things were true about the North and the South. Make sure you know about the battles, study those battles: Antietam, Bull Run, Chancellorsville, Fredericksburg, Gettysburg, Vicksburg, Hampton Roads, which was the Monitor and the Merrimack, Peninsula Campaign, and Fort Sumter. Make sure you study those, know what they were all about, and know why they were important. Make sure you can tell me about Sherman's March to the Sea, what it was like and what its purpose was. And then I have 3 essay questions. You have to answer 2 of them. You need to know the difference between the North and the South and why the Southern generals were just better. You need to know about the assassination of Abraham Lincoln, what happened, what were the reasons, what other parties were involved in the conspiracy, and where it happened and what happened to the people involved. And you need to know about Lincoln suspending habeas corpus, what it means, why he did it, and do you think it was constitutional, and would you have done the same thing? And if you can do all of those things, you'll be doing excellent on the quiz Tuesday.